There's no need to buy salsa at the store when you can make it better and cheaper at home in just 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious Mexican restaurant-style salsa, and it's really easy. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good.
For homemade restaurant-style salsa, my ingredients are 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, or about 2 pounds fresh peeled tomatoes. See the link in the description. 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel Original, 1/4 cup of chopped white onion, 1/4 jalapeno pepper, seeded, half a cup of finely chopped cilantro, 1½ tablespoons of fresh lime juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of accent flavor enhancer. I've already chopped my veggies small, which I usually do during this next step. I pour my tomatoes into a colander and allow them to drain thoroughly. I don't want any excess liquid or my salsa will be watery, and no one wants water on their nachos. I also like to look through the tomatoes and remove any large pieces of skin that may remain.
Now all I have to do is throw all of my ingredients together in a blender. I'm using my Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system that can do all kinds of stuff. I'll put a link in the description in case you'd like to check it out.
I add all my ingredients, including the Rotel, spices, and lime juice, to my Ninja blender. This next part is important because it can easily mean the difference between salsa or soup. I press the pulse button in short bursts only. For this batch, I pulsed 6 times. The goal is to get the consistency that you like, so take it 1 pulse at a time and watch your mixture carefully. For this batch, I also drained 1 of the cans of Rotel because I like my salsa a little thicker. You can drain your canned ingredients as much or as little as you want, depending on how thick you like your salsa. Now comes the most difficult part of this recipe, the waiting. Pop it in the fridge and allow the salsa to chill and the flavors to meld together for at least an hour before serving.
This salsa is simple, fast, inexpensive, and tastes great. Plus, it makes a wonderful gift. I made 6 batches of this for luncheon at work and gave jars of it away to coworkers, and they loved it. It brought my work team to the table, and it'll bring your team to the table too, because if you feed them, they will come.